Okay.
Hello, good morning. This is Egor. Igor. He was born October 10. October 10, 2020. October 20, 2020. Okay, so we're doing a quick free fly. Okay. Again, Igor, free fly. Kailangan medyo ano. Okay. Come on, Igor. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 more, then we're done. Okay, Igor? Okay, that's his exercise. 1, 2. Oh, come here, Igor. Igor. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Igor, come, Papa. Pumunta siya sa... Oh, come on. Come on. Igor! 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 Igor, come on. Oh, Igor, come on. Come on, Igor. Okay, give me. Your fly. Okay, one more. Okay. One more. Ayun sa akin. Okay. Free fly, okay? 1, 2, 3, up! Okay. Last one, okay? Okay, last one. Okay, last one. Last one. Okay. Up! Okay, that's Igor. Ano yan? Bigyan mo na mo pati.